Today is day 5 of our 30 days beginners piano mastering course. We are looking at finger numbers and finger control for beginners. If you don't understand finger numbers correctly, your keyboard progress will become slow and confusing. You may press wrong fingers, struggle with coordination, and find playing difficult later. But once you understand finger numbers clearly, everything becomes easier and more control. Do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel and to get notified when other lessons are uploaded. Today, we are learning finger numbers and how to use them correctly on the keyboard. Finger numbers are a system used by all musicians to identify fingers quickly. Each finger has a number, the right hand and the left hand. The right hand, the thumb, is number 1. The index is number 2, the middle finger is number 3, the ring finger is number 4, and the pinky is number 5. Very important. The numbering does not change between hands. The thumb is always number 4, the thumb is always number 1, and the pinky is always number 5. Basic 5-finger position. Place your hand on C, D, E, F, G. This is C, C, D, E, F, G. Now, right hand going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand going backward. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is how it is. Now, this is called the 5-finger position, and it is the foundation of keyboard playing. Why finger numbers matters? Finger numbers helps you play smoothly, avoid confusion, improve speed, and control your movements. Without them, playing becomes random and difficult to manage. Hand position. Before playing, relax your hands. Keep fingers slightly curved, not stiff, not flat, and let them rest naturally on the keys. Think of holding a soft ball. Relaxation is very important for smooth playing. Very, very important. Finger control and coordination. Now understand this clearly. Finger coordination means your fingers working together correctly. At first, some finger feels weak, especially ring and pinky finger. This is normal. With practice, they become stronger and more controlled. Finger independent. This means moving one finger without disturbing others. For example, lift finger 3 while others stay relaxed. This way. This helps you play clean melodies and better rhythm control. It helps you. So you do this way, even this one. You lift this finger while others are relaxed. Practical exercise. Right hand on C, D, E, F, G. Right hand on C, D, E, F, G. Play slowly. C, D, E, F, G. Now backward. G, F, E, D, C. E, F, E, D, C. C, D, E, F, G. Then left hand, same pattern. C, D, E, F, G. G, F, E, C, D. That is it. How it is. Go slowly. Focus on control, not speed. Common mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes: using wrong fingers, playing too fast, tight hands, ignoring weak fingers. Avoid this early to build strong techniques. So you have to play the correct thing, learn the correct way to avoid mistakes. Why slow practice matters? Slow practice builds accuracy, control, and muscle memory. Fast playing without control leads to mistakes and tension. Daily practice. Practice for a few minutes daily. Finger exercises, simple note runs, slow repetition. Consistency is more important than speed. Final numbers. Finger numbers helps you stay organized. Finger control improves coordination. Relaxed hands improve speed later. And independence makes playing clean and easy. Makes playing clean and easy. Final words. If you master finger numbers and control early, every future lessons becomes easier. Scales, chords and songs will feel natural. Practice slowly, stay consistent, and your keyboard skills will grow stronger every day. See you in day 6. Subscribe so that you get notified for the next lesson.